Hi, Elaine here with WTI. I'd like to introduce you to my travel companion, the LOVEVOOK Weekender Bag. I love the fact that it has a lot of pockets. As you can see in packing my bag, I had two bundles of clothes, I had my iPad, I had toiletries, I had gifts to bring with me, and I even had a bunch of snacks that I packed on top. I recently went on a trip to Europe and this bag really saved me. This fit right perfectly underneath the seat in the airplane and I didn't have to take anything else. It was just enough so that when I walked around in London, it wasn't too heavy for me to carry. I really enjoy this bag. It's very convenient. It's very sturdy. I love the look of it. It looks more like a purse that you have on your back. And it has traveled so well. I highly recommend it, and I think you will too. But that's just my point of view.